Hello, I'm going to be teaching you guys two string methods that are important. There's many other string methods out there in the Python library, but just for this video I'm going to show you guys two, and those are going to be format and find. There's other, again, like I said, there's other methods for strings. Those you could look up on your own time, and those other methods I will be introducing in future videos as I go along. But for now, I took a quick look at a list. I'm pretty sure it wasn't the full list, but I seen two methods on there that I think are very important, and I want to share them with you. So say I create a string x, and it's gonna be called a string x, and within x we're gonna have a string called invalid syntax. Okay. Alright, so if I print this, get invalid syntax. Okay. Now what the find method does is it looks for characters or strings in the string basically. So look, I'm gonna look for in. That should get something back. So I could find in at the first location at the 0 index. So if we take a look at this string, right, the first letter I starts at 0, it's at the 0 index. The second letter N is at the first index, and the third letter V is at the second index. So in computer science, usually when we start counting from 0 most of the time. So like I said, N is going to be at the first index. Okay, you see? And if I were to look for I, it'd be at the 0 index. Sorry, I didn't print it out. Okay. What? No, that's not working. X of find X out in parentheses. See, 0. Okay. Now the next one I'm going to be teaching you guys. Oh, also, I'm pretty sure this is an integer. So like, say I had y, and I were to put x dot find, and then I'll look for I. So, yep. All right. So then if I print y, see I get 0. So y is of type what? Let's find out what type y is. And it's of class integer. Okay. Now let me show you guys format. Format is really cool actually. I didn't know about this one. So say I have a string here. The combined shares are worth and then I put some brackets here. I'm put a percent sign here too. Alright, so say I have that, and then if I do dot format, and then if I put a number in the format section, you see that it prints it here. So here I have no number, right? But then here I use the dot format method, and I put my number 12 in there, and then that's exactly what comes out. So I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, so that's the format and the find method. Again, there are many different methods in the Python library. As I go, as the need of importance arises, I'll make videos on them. But for now, these are really the two major ones you want to know about: the find and the format methods. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section, and or shoot me an email.